How to log in MyAviva account. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log into your MyAviva account on your system. So let's get started. First, you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Aviva login. After you search it, at the top, you can directly find the official site of Aviva. So simply tap on that option, Welcome to MyAviva. From the section MyAviva login, you'll have to provide your username and password here, and after you provide correct username and password, tap on the option login just at the bottom. And if you forgot your details, you can directly tap on the option forgot your details. From the section, you can as usual reset your password, like you have to provide your email address, your date of birth and tap on send. From that option, you can directly recover your MyAviva account. So this is the process. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.